Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelechi Lege Franklin, and in this video today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can be able to start affiliate marketing on your own. Yes, affiliate marketing on your own. For you to start affiliate marketing, it will be nice that you sell your own products and use Facebook ad and you use it in order to make more sales for yourself. But if you are a newbie, someone who is starting up in this, the best way in which you can be able to make money online is for you to start affiliate marketing. Market a product, do an affiliate marketing for your product, and at the end of the day, you get a commission for yourself. Yes, that's what you need to do when you want to start affiliate marketing, and you can be able to make it when it comes to making money online. Yes, how can you be able to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria with your mobile phone, when you don't have any website, when you don't have any money? I'm going to do this course on this tutorial in two phases, where I'll be able to show you the knowledge aspect where you can be able to know what affiliate marketing is in detail, and later we'll be able to do the implementation aspect where we'll do the practical, where I'll use Espania or Jumia and other affiliate platforms in order to show you what affiliate marketing is in a whole. Now, if it is your first time to join me on this channel, please, all I have to say is that go to the comment section, click on, just type affiliate marketing, then click on the subscribe button and on the notification button so that YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I post videos like this. Please do well to support my channel by subscribing, and when you subscribe, it will go a long way for me to make new videos like this. What is affiliate marketing, and why is it the best business or best online business for you to start in 2022? What is affiliate marketing? What does it mean? Affiliate marketing means, or simply means, recommending other people's products and getting paid a commission for each. Yes, you recommending other people's products to people, and then you get commission at the end of the day. An automated unique link, where a link will be given to you. You need to advertise the product, and at the end of the day, when the person buys the product, you get your own commission and all of that. So it's safe to say that affiliate marketing is marketing other people's products, whereby both the buyer and the seller in an online platform. Yes, it's a process whereby you link the buyer and the seller in order for them to buy a product, and at the end of the day, you get paid for the work or the service you have done. That means you serve as a middleman who brings the buyer and the seller and give them the opportunity to buy a product or to sell a product, and thereby you getting commission on your own. So an example of affiliate marketing is Jumia, we have Espania, we have Amazon, and so many. So these people give you the opportunity to get paid after a transaction have been made. Yes, Jumia is a platform where individuals bring in their product, and then it's being sold out, and the individual is being gets his or her commission for the services that have been rendered. So we can say that Jumia is like a marketplace where individuals can sell their products, and at the end of the day, the commission is being given to whoever that makes the particular sale. So individuals come to Jumia, they collect a referral link, they use Jumia as a platform to market the product, and thereby getting paid at the end of the day for whatever service that is being done. We have Espania too. Espania is another affiliate marketing program or project where individuals market their product, and you have a lot of niche which you are going through in Espania. All you just need to do is to pick a particular course or a particular program in order for you to do an affiliate program for them, and at the end of the day, you get paid for that, the same as Amazon and many others. So I will show you an example of how affiliate marketing works. Here on my screen you can see that affiliate marketing with Jumia. This is an example of affiliate marketing using Jumia. For example, if you look very closely, you will see that this is a Facebook page. This Facebook page was opened by an individual who have gotten a referral link by Jumia. So if you click on this particular page, it will direct you to a link or to a product site where you can be able to purchase this particular product. All this person did is just to use Facebook as a case study in order for him to drive traffic or to make or get a lot of people to know about this product, and he gets a sale. And then at the end of the day, when the product has been purchased, Jumia will give he or her a commission on the product that was done. That is how a lot of products or a lot of affiliate marketing products are being done. That's why I say that Jumia is a marketplace. A lot of people come in, you buy, you bring in your product. Jumia is an affiliate product. People bring in their product to Jumia. Then people come into Jumia, buy their product, and at the end of the day, everybody is being paid a commission for whatever service that was rendered. So you too can start the same, and you get paid. So it's safe to say that the job of an affiliate marketer is to link both the buyer and the seller in an online platform like Jumia, Amazon, or Expania. And at the end of the day, the person is being paid for whatever transaction that is being made. Yes, the person is being paid for a transaction that is being made. You get your own commission as if. An example of all of these things, as I mentioned earlier, is Jumia, Amazon, Alibaba, and Uber. All of these people, or all of these examples I just gave here, they are all affiliate marketing product or program or platform that give people the room to bring in their product and sell it, and at the end of the day, they get paid for whatever service they render. Let's take Uber for example. Uber does not have a car. Rather, people bring in their car, register under Uber, use their platform to make a lot of sale. At the end of the day, they take their own commission, and people enjoy the particular product. So the same thing happens to Jumia. Jumia is a marketplace. Amazon is a marketplace. People bring in their product, and at the end of the day, you get paid for whatever services that was rendered, or you get commission for whatever service that was rendered. Alibaba also is a marketplace too. Alibaba gives platform or room for individuals who have talent to showcase their talent, and at the end of the day, he collects his commission. The person who he's bringing up also collects his or her commission. The same thing applies in other aspects of life. So affiliate marketing is one of the best products, or one of the best marketing products in which anyone can engage in, and at the end of the day, he or she gets paid. So why is affiliate marketing the best business to start in 2022? Why is affiliate marketing the best business to start in 2022? Yes, to start affiliate marketing in 2022 is the best thing to do, because you don't have to create a product. Yes, you don't have to create a product. All you just need to do is to know what the product can do. Then you market it, and at the end of the day, you get paid or you get a commission for that particular product. Number two is that you don't need to open a physical shop in order for you to market this particular product or start affiliate marketing in this product. All you just need to do is to have a Facebook page, advertise it, or you look for a traffic source whereby you drive all the traffic to, and then you get commission and all of that. And the next thing I mentioned here is that you don't need to call or start selling to your friends like MLM, which is multi-level marketing, whereby you start referring people or start looking for who will buy or who will sell in order for you to grow a particular tree, in order for you to get paid when these people have joined and all of that. You don't need to pass through all those stress. Rather, it gives you the opportunity to sell the product even to people who you don't know. When you use Facebook ad to drive traffic, or you pick a particular product, you drive traffic with it, you will see that you make a lot of sale on that. Just like the picture I showed you where someone is selling a phone, the person might not know who he's selling to, but he has drive traffic and he can get customer using that particular niche. So you don't need to talk to anybody or carry product around looking for who will buy. Instead, you have to use Facebook ads, pay for it, and then Facebook will help you to drive customers or get customers to buy that particular product. And at the end of the day, when these people are interested after bringing them, getting the traffic, you can now close your sale using WhatsApp automation response, whereby you use your autoresponder with your WhatsApp to close the sale with the individual. yes, you close the sale using your WhatsApp with the individual. So that means after driving the traffic, you bring in the person to your WhatsApp and then close the deal, and at the end of the day you get commission for that particular work you have done. Another thing you need to do is that you don't need a physical product at all. You don't need a physical product. Just like Jumia, you don't need a product. All you just need to do is to drive traffic. You sell the product, and at the end of the day you get paid. So you don't need a physical product. Yes, you don't need a physical product. Instead, you can sell digital products in order for you to make more sales on this particular field. Yes. So another thing you need to do also is that why affiliate marketing is important is that you don't need to create a sales copy and a system for the product to be sold out, such as creating a website or a payment page and a process like that and all of that. All you just need to do is to get into the platform. They give you your referral link, just like Espania have the opportunity for you to see their template, know what to do, and at the end of the day they make your work more easier and all of that. The sales copy or what you will be able to do or what you will say in order for you to advertise that product has already been laid out on Espania, depending on the product you are going to start marketing. So these people will show you what to do and tell you how to say it, what to say in order for you to get more customers or more individuals who will get interest on that particular product. So all you just need to do is to know what you want, and then you go after it. So Espania is one place whereby it has different opportunity for all individuals who have interest on affiliate marketing, and it's the number one in Nigeria right now. People who are interested in affiliate marketing can decide to go into this particular niche and then make money for themselves. The next thing you need to know is that you are incurring no risk, or you are incurring no risk here. You don't have to incur any risk because you don't because you are not buying the product, or you are not producing the product either. So why affiliate marketing is very essential, very important, or very best to do is that you don't need to buy any product, or you don't need to produce anything. Rather, you sell the product, or you say whether it can be a digital product. You don't need to acquire any links. All you just need to sell the copy, share the link to the individual. The person goes to the platform and then work for himself or study about it, and the person goes his or her way, and you make your own profit and all of that. Then you don't need to be looking for people to buy. Instead, you use automated systems such as Facebook ad plus Facebook ad to generate a funnel, and you can use email tools to do that, and you can also use your WhatsApp to close your sale. So all of these things are very important for you to make more sales, or for you to be successful when it comes to affiliate marketing. That's why it's important to do it in 2022. So it is the most affordable business online. Yes, it's the most affordable business to do online, and for newbies, you don't need any capital. All you just need is very little capital, probably for you to start. Yes, for you to start. Yes, you just need little capital for you to start, and it will allow you to get what you want, and then you succeed with it. It does not also take much of your time. You can be working, you can be a working class individual, you can be a business person, you can be a student. You don't need to think that you need to take all of your time. All you just need to do is to know what you want, and you don't need to worry about anything after you have sold a particular product, whether the person wants to complain about that product. You don't need to be worried about. So you don't need to worry about the product after making a sale, because it can be a digital product you must have sold out and all of that. You don't need to be worried about that. That's why affiliate marketing is very important and very easy to be done, even as a newbie. Then what do you need in order for you to start up affiliate marketing? Yes, what are some of the things you'll be needing in order for you to start affiliate marketing? Number one thing you need is an affiliate platform. Create an affiliate platform that will give you the opportunity to be able to make sales or sell a product. You also need a product to sell. What are some of those products you'll be selling or you can sell? I'll be showing you all that in a jiffy. Then you also need an affiliate product buyer, people who are those individuals who are interested in buying such product or product that you have. And you also need an affiliate product promotion. How can you be able to drive traffic or get individuals who need this particular product that you have? Let's get started with the first one, affiliate platform in Nigeria. What are some of the affiliate platforms in Nigeria in which you can be able to make money for yourself, or you can be able to make sales or do affiliate with? We have the Espania. Espania is the #1 affiliate marketing platform right now in Nigeria. And if you join Espania right now, you will see that it gives you the opportunity to buy products, sell products, and be able to get commission at the end of the day. Maybe in my next video, I will be telling you in details how you can be able to sign in Espania and what you need to do in order for you to sign in Espania. Then you have Lenoflis. Yes, Lenoflis is another affiliate marketing program platform in which you can also get money for yourself or do affiliate with. You also have Jumia affiliate program. Yeah, Jumia affiliate program, just like what I showed you earlier about someone selling a phone or a product. If the person is doing an affiliate marketing for Jumia, if you just go to Google, just type KOL Jumia, you will see that you can be able to register with their platform and you get started and start marketing their product. You also have Konga affiliate program, which is Eboost. Yeah, Eboost is an affiliate marketing program by Konga. If you just type Eboost on Google, you can also register with them and get started. Yes, and get started. We have international affiliate marketing program. We have affiliate marketing program in other countries, like we have Digistore 24. Yeah, Digistore 24 is one of the popular affiliate marketing program internationally. And we also have ClickBoss, but ClickBoss, I will not advise anybody to enter ClickBoss because right now ClickBoss is not something to write home about, even though they are the #1 internationally. But ClickBoss has some issues with Nigerians and other things that is happening with them. So instead of you going into ClickBoss and international, you can use Nigerian platform like the Espania. You see that you get results that you are looking for. Many of these international projects or platforms has a lot of rules and restrictions and all of that. You can also decide to you have international bodies like Share Yourself. Yeah, we have international bodies like Share Yourself who are affiliate marketers too. We have Amazon Associate, Bizoo Affiliate, we have CJ Affiliate, we have eBay Partner Network, and a lot of them. There are a lot of affiliate marketing platforms in which individuals can join, but I will always advise join the Nigerian one that will give you access to get what you want. It's not after advertising the product or start affiliating with this international for you to withdraw your money becomes a problem. It will not be nice. So all you need to do is join Espania or any other affiliate marketing product or company in Nigeria. So what are some of the affiliate marketing products you can sell? Yeah, one of the affiliates, we have two types of affiliate marketing which you can do. We have digital product in which you can sell. You have physical product too which you can sell. When it comes to digital product, you can start up with the courses. When you like Espania will give you some courses to go through. When you go through these courses, you learn, you know how all of them works and all of that. So all of these things are what you need to do. A digital product, you need a course, and the course can be an ebook, it can be an app, how to develop an app, how to use the tools and all of that, and how to create an ebook and software. All of these things are what you can be able to get when you start learning about affiliate marketing when it comes to digital products. What about a physical product? This physical product can be kitchen utensils or kitchen products. It can be electronic bills, electronic gadgets, and all of that. And it can be a health products too. These physical products, you can also see them on Jumia, Konga, and all of those stuff. So it's either you are advertising or you are marketing a product of digital product or a physical product. You need to pick an niche and then work with it. Then affiliate products buyers who are affiliate product buyers, what do you need to do when it comes to affiliate product buyers? When you pick a niche, let me say you pick a digital course or a digital product, you need to know or make research to know which people or individuals who you can sell this product to. You cannot buy a digital product and you sell it to the wrong individual. You need to know individuals or the age category or the individuals in which you can sell those products to. That is why when it comes to Facebook ads, Facebook gives you the opportunity to be able to direct your ads to the individual or specify your ads to the individual who you know needs that particular product. So you need to make research, know the individuals that need the product and the services and all of that, and you will see that you make a lot sell and all of that. Then what are the affiliate product or promotions? Yes, the next thing you need to do is affiliate product promotion. How do you do that? All you need to do is to know your traffic source. What are some of the traffic sources which you can be able to do? One of the traffic sources you can do is the Facebook ad that I always mention. You use your Facebook ad, drive advert. That's why when you are pressing your phone or you're on Facebook, some advert pops up. These individuals direct their traffic to people who they know will need to buy those products. You just need to be specific, know what you want, and then you drive your traffic source, and then when you get these individuals, you now close your sale with them. Then your content creation, when it comes to content creation, it simply means how to be able to convince people to buy a particular product. What are some of the things you need to write? What are some of the things you need to lay down in order for when someone reads the particular product and see the content, the person will want to buy those products. Yeah, that's why many of you can learn what copywriting is and all of that. You see that it will go a long way for you to be able to sell your products and services to individuals when you give them the right way. What's copywriting? Copywriting is the art of you to sell a product. What are some of the things or statements or words you need to use in order to convince or talk to individuals or make them to want to buy? All of these things are what it contains in content creation and all of that. And in Espania has been able to make it easy. They bring out a product, give you the template of what to do or how to sell a particular product, what you need to say. All of these things are made easy in the world that we are living today. So you need to know the products you want to sell, know how to drive the traffic, and then use the right content in order to sell your product to this individual. Now the next thing is for you is your traffic source. What are your traffic source? We have organic traffic source and we have paid traffic source. When it comes to the organic traffic source, we have the posts in authorized group. Yes, this organic traffic is where you are able to post in groups. It can be a Facebook page, or it can be a WhatsApp status, it can be Instagram stories, it can be other social media platform groups, and direct recommendation. What do I mean? What I mean is that when you have gotten a product, they are giving you what to say, how to say it, the templates, and in order for you to start advertising. Now you want to advertise, you don't need to start posting it anywhere so that they will not put you as a spam. When Facebook detects you as a spam, you will be blocked, and then you have to go a long process and start redirecting and start opening your Facebook in order for you to unlock, because you are going against Facebook ads and policies. So all you just need to do is to post in an authorized group. Make sure that where you want to make this post, it is authorized. Then if it's a WhatsApp group, make sure that you are allowed to post such things there. And if it's an Instagram story you want to do, you can also post in an authorized, post in an authorized page whereby you'll be allowed to post such things so that you will not be blocked by Facebook and all of that. But when you use a paid traffic gives you the opportunity for Facebook to direct people who are interested in your product. When you have paid, you direct people who are interested in what you want, and you'll be able to make more sales and close the sales using your WhatsApp. Yes, when you use a Facebook page and advertise your product, Facebook will help you to get more traffic, and this is one of the best. This is the best among all. this is the best thing you can do for yourself. Use a Facebook paid ad, and you see that you will make a lot of sales when it comes to affiliate marketing. Then you can also use YouTube ads. You can also use YouTube paid ads, whereby YouTube will be able to recommend your product or recommend your service to people, and they will like to patronize or see how it works. You can also use other social media paid ads to get this particular stuff done. Yes, to get it done. So the next thing you need to do is content creation. How can you be able to do content creation? All you have to do is do ads copy and sales copy. Yes, when you do ads copy and sales copy, it will give you the opportunity to be able to sell your product and get more to yourself. Yes, how to become an affiliate marketer? Number one is for you to pick a niche. Yes, pick a particular niche. You don't have to do everything. You pick a particular niche, then register on an affiliate platform. You can decide to register on Netflix. You can decide to register on Espania, and all of that. So when you pick a product or you pick a niche, register on a platform, then do your product research. Who are those individuals who need a particular product? Then pick the product link. When you have picked the product link, you can now start looking for buyers, people who to buy that particular product, know the individual or your audience who needs that product, and then you can now start promoting it using your Facebook ad, and you make money for yourself and get commission on that particular product. So please don't forget to subscribe. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification button, go to the comment section, type affiliate marketing, and share if this video was. Give this a good thumbs up too in order to make this video go far. God bless you. See you in my next video. Peace.